5 tips for better skin starting today. 1. Drink water. I know you've heard it before. It really helps. Drink water. It's going to help with hydration and breakouts. 2. Wash your hands before you're actually going to wash your face. 3. Don't pick at your face. 4. Change your pillowcase. It collects all of the oils from your hair and your skin. You want to make sure you're resting on a nice, clean pillowcase. And 5. Get enough rest.
Skincare mistakes you may be making. Do not vigorously dry your face with a towel. Either pat it gently or let it air dry. Second, do not use your mask for too long or else it will dry up your skin even more. Check the recommended time of use on your mask and use it for that long. Third, even if you're lazy, try not to use cleansing wipes too much. Using a gentle cleanser will be so much better for your skin.
It can strip your skin of its natural oils and damage the barrier if it's used too frequently, so be careful because it can lead to breakouts. 2. Never pop your pimples ever. It can cause scarring. 3. Hydration is really important, especially when you have acne. Your skin needs moisture to heal itself.